what's up? Go to the beach with you? Oh yeah, that would be totally awesome. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I should probably get to bed. It is kind of late. Okay, bye. Yay. Can't wait to go to the beach with my brother tomorrow. I'm gonna go get some rest, and so that I can surf some awesome waves. I'm up. Ah! What happened to my hair? Not work. Be something in this closet. Ooh, this is perfect. Be right back. Ah, much better. I'm hungry. There must be something in this kitchen. Ooh, this looks good. I love chips so much. That was great. That must be my brother. Oh, I am so excited. Hey, sup sis? Ready to surf some awesome waves? Is that even a question? I was born ready. Let's hit the road. Let's take my car. Okay. Sis, what did you do? Isn't it obvious? I painted your car pink. You didn't expect me to go in that brown Jeep, now did you? You have to admit that it looks much better. Fine, we'll talk about this later, but for now, let's go to the beach. You would say that. Look, we're here. Some big waves out there. I'm gonna go surf one. Be careful, we don't want another accident. Well, just calm down. I'm gonna paddle out. Woohoo! Ah! Ow. Wow, that was a gnarly fall. Are you okay? Yeah, thanks. Wait, are you? Oh my goodness, it's world famous surfer Alicia James. Ah! Yep, that's me. World famous, why are you at this beach? This was the beach I learned to surf at. It's really special to me. So I always practice here. And you know, even the people who are famous have to practice. Wow, I never really thought of that. So in a way, you're just like all of us, right? Of course I am. That is pretty cool. I can't believe this is the sand that you learned to surf on. It must be lucky. Maybe if I surf here, I'll turn into world famous. Oh yeah, I can see it now. Harper Klein in big lights. Oh, it just fits, doesn't it? Yes, but don't get ahead of yourself. It takes a lot of hard work and practice to get to where I am now. Well noted. I just can't believe I actually met you. Are we like best friends now? Sure, I guess. You seem really nice, so I have a little something for you. Here's one of my famous surfboards. Oh my gosh, really? For me? Oh, I'm so excited. First, can you do your famous pose? I would love to see that. No problem. Magazines. By the way, I read every single one, word for word. Anyone can do it. Here, you try. Ta-da! Wow, you are a natural. Go. Have an amazing day. Okay, thank you. Wow, is that Alicia James? Keep up, brother. So much fun today, brother. Thank you for taking me here. No problem. It was really fun. Oh no, it was all a dream. didn't actually meet Alicia James, and I didn't get her surfboard. But wait, maybe it wasn't a dream. I still have the surfboard! Hey! Even if that was a dream, it was the best dream or day ever. Hey! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to On the Bright Side if you want more videos like this. Have a great day.